Da 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 da. It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg.
Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Diamonds on my neck, chrome drop top.
You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. Suckers. So put something in there. Put it in there.
Diamonds on my neck, chrome drop top.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Back when Andre the Giant, Mr. Elephant Tuck, picture muscle, you'll be just another one with the dust. Just one of my mother's sons who got thrown under the bus. Here's my one, lick from under cheese from under my nuts. It disgusts me to see the game the way that it looks. It's a must, I redeem my name and haters get mushed. Bitches must, man they love me when I lay in the cut. Fist the cup, the lady give a lady some paper cuts. Now picture us, it's ridiculous, she curses the thought. Cause when I spit the verse, the shit gets worse, the worst is your sauce. If I could fit the words, this picture perfect works every time. Every verse, every line, as simple as nursery rhymes. It's elementary, the elephants have entered the room. I've been to the safe with the center of attention, it's true. Not to mention back with the vengeance, so here's the signal of the bat symbol, the platinum trio's back on you hoes.
But still I'm having memories of high speed when the cops crash. As I laugh, pushing the gas when my Glocks blast. We was young and we was dumb, but we had heart. In the dark, but we survived through the bad parts. Many dreams is what I had, and plenty wishes. No hesitation and extermination of these snitches. And these bitches, they still continue to pursue me. A couple of movies, now the whole world's trying to screw me. Even the cops trying to do me. So what can I do but stay true? Sipping 22s of brewing, now the media is trying to test me. Got the press asking questions, trying to stress me. Misery is all I see, that's my mind state. My history with the police to shake the crime rate. My main man had 2 strikes slip, got arrested and flipped. He screamed thug life and emptied the clip.
They see that low rider go by, they like, oh my. You ain't got to tell me why you sick, cause I know why. I did the through in that 6 tray, like sick of Dre. I'm an itch that they can't scratch, they sick of me. But hey, what else can I say? I love LA, cause over and above all, it's just another day. And this one begins where the last one ends. Pick up where we left off and get smashed again. I'll be damned, just fucked around and crashed my Benz. Driving around with a smashed front end. Let's cash that one in. Grab another one from out the stable. The Monte Carlo, El Camino, or the El Dorado. The hell if I know, do I will leather seats of vinyl. Decisions, Mirage looks like precision collision. Or Mako, beats quake like Waco. Just keep the bass low, speakers away from your face though.
Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swank in my hair. Shrink, quit talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take your smoke on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
Diamonds on my neck,